Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Vishal, and today I'll be teaching you about Catia. This would be the first video for learning Catia, and I'll be teaching you some basics about Catia and other CAD softwares. There are many videos out there for Catia. I saw them, some of them, and like there was something that I can add to it, and that's the reason of me making this video. The space that you're seeing currently on the screen is the assembly workbench. We have many workbenches like that. Depending upon the field and the work you are doing, we have different fields and workbenches for them. Mostly we would be working on mechanical and shapes because mechanical are for part designs and like automotive designs and machine designs, and shape is for surface design that is mostly used for aerodynamic designs in maybe in an aeroplane or a boat or any other shape that has an aerodynamic design. And rest we would be seeing it little bit because don't use much of them, but if we are using, I'll definitely teach you. So now I'll be talking about the difference between Catia and other CAD softwares, majorly SolidWorks, because we have most of the tools similar in both of the softwares, and we have the same parent company, Dassault system for both of the softwares. And if you know, the license for Catia is a bit expensive as compared to SolidWorks. But we have almost every feature that we have in Catia in SolidWorks as well. You can make all the designs that you want to make in Catia in SolidWorks as well. But then what makes it bit expensive is the capacity to solve higher degree or the order of curves that it can solve and at the back end as compared to SolidWorks. So let me quickly show you what I mean by that. Let me open a new part over here. P for part, okay, and that part one. Let me make select a plane and make a sketch a curve over here. I'll be making a circle over here. So I have made a circle over here right now. Uh, if you see, the circle looks perfectly round in shape and does not have any deformations. But if you see it closely, you would see this is not a perfect round. This is not a perfect curve. It is an straight lines over here that are joined, and if you zoom out, it looks a circle, but it is not a circle. It is actually a polygon that is made by Catia. Actually, you cannot make a perfect curve with the help of software. What it does, it integrates this. This is actually the degree of curve what I was talking about. Let me show you one more circle here with smaller diameter. This would make it more clear. So if you see now, the circle looks perfectly round, but as soon as I zoom in, this you would be able to see that it is getting divided into straight lines and a polygon and not a exact circle. So what happens is, like Katia, whenever you select circle or any other polygon or any other curve, actually it integrates it and tries to make that curve, but using straight lines. So this is the number of lines that it uses. The more number of line that it uses increases the smoothness of curve and is known as the degree of curve. So in Katia, you would be seeing this more actually than more number of straight lines for any curve. But if you make a same circle in SolidWorks, that would have a more polygonal design, might be having only 5 6 lines to represent that circle. It would be a circle in the system itself, but for representing it, it would be just showing a polygon. Hoping you understood that. Now, what difference would it make if I make a part in SolidWorks or in Catia? So it won't make much difference because you would have the same properties in Catia and as well as in SolidWorks. But the place where it makes a difference is when you put the same parts for analysis. If it is a part or a machined part, like a solid part, there won't be much difference in the results in the analysis, like you do analysis in softwares like ANSYS. But if it is a surface and you're doing analysis for an aerodynamic design, then definitely there is an importance of the surface of being smooth. If it is more smooth, you get more accurate results. If it is SolidWorks, you won't be having as much as smooth surface as you have in Catia, and there might be a difference in the results there. So I would definitely recommend, if you are working in on Surface and it is going for analysis, then definitely you would be seeing people using Catia over there, like, or aircraft companies like Boeing uses Catia for their design instead of SolidWorks. But if it is just a part design or a machine part design or a automotive part designs assemblies, you can definitely go for SolidWorks in that. If you got doubts or questions, you can comment on this video and I can answer it to you. You can also DM me on Insta. I have the ID into the description. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe for more. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.